Hello viewers, this video is on an easy topic which is difference or comparison between sole proprietorship and partnership or individual proprietorship and partnership. So let's straight away start with the already listed points here. As many as 11 points are listed here on the board. Number 1, meaning. Meaning of sole proprietorship and meaning of partnership obviously is different, so it becomes a point of difference between the two. Sole proprietorship is a form of business, is a type of business in which only one single person starts a business, operates a business and takes all responsibilities related to business alone, is called sole proprietorship business or individual proprietorship. As against this, partnership is a form of business in which two or more persons who agree to share the profit of a business which is carried on by all of them or any of them acting for all is called a partnership business. Right? यानी जो बिजनेस दो या दो से ज्यादा लोग प्रॉफिट शेयर कर लेने के ऑब्जेक्टिव से स्टार्ट करें, चलाएं और जॉइंटली ऑपरेट करें तो उसको हम पार्टनरशिप बोलते हैं. नंबर 2, इलस्ट्रेशन और एग्जांपल. एक इमेजिनरी एग्जांपल लेते हैं कि फॉर एग्जांपल सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप में हम कहेंगे कि ए पर्सन कॉल्ड अनिल स्टार्ट्स ए टेक्सटाइल शॉप कॉल्ड अनिल स्टोर्स. तो ही इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप. A textile shop owned, started and operated by Anil alone called Anil Stores is an example of sole proprietorship. As against this, partnership में हम कहेंगे for example Anil, Brijesh and Chetan starts a footwear store, right? And they gave name Surat Footwears is an example of partnership. अनिल, ब्रिजेश एंड चेतन मिलके एक फुटवेयर का स्टोर जॉइंटली स्टार्ट करते हैं, चलाते हैं और प्रॉफिट और लॉस शेयर कर लेते हैं. तो ये वाला बिजनेस जो एग्जांपल है वो पार्टनरशिप का इमेजिनरी इलस्ट्रेशन बनेगा. नंबर 3, नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स. नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स इन सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप इज ओनली 1, इसीलिए इसका नाम भी सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप या इंडिविजुअल प्रोप्राइटरशिप है. इन पार्टनरशिप मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ पार्टनर्स or members are 2 and maximum number of partners. In old partnership law it was 2 to 10 and 2 to 20. 2 to 10 for banking business and for other business 2 to 20. But now as per the latest company law provisions, maximum number of partners allowed in partnership in India are 50. Next. Number 4, capital. Capital is contributed or brought or arranged by only one owner in sole proprietorship. वहाँ एक ही ओनर है, वही अपने हिसाब से पूंजी की अरेंजमेंट करेगा, कैपिटल की अरेंजमेंट करेगा. In partnership, capital is arranged either jointly by or by some partners as per agreement of partnership. Next, establishment. Establishment of sole proprietorship is done by only one person. एक ही इंसान उसे स्टार्ट करता है, ऑपरेट करता है. कोई भी एक सिंगल इंसान कोई भी लॉफुल एक्टिविटी के लिए सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप स्टार्ट कर सकता है. सो हम कहेंगे कि इन पार्टनरशिप इज स्टार्टेड बाय 2 और मोर पर्संस एज पर एग्रीमेंट. समझौता, डील बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, वही बेस है पार्टनरशिप का स्टार्ट होने का. नंबर नेक्स्ट एंड दैट इज प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस इन सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप इज बोर्न और इज टेकन बाय ओनली वन पर्सन, ओनली वन ओनर. इन पार्टनरशिप इट इज जॉइंटली शेयर्ड बाय ऑल पार्टनर्स एज पर एग्रीमेंट. नेक्स्ट, डिसीजंस. ऑल डिसीजंस रिलेटेड टू बिजनेस आर टेकन बाय ओनली वन पर्सन. And in partnership, all decisions related to partnership business will be jointly taken by all partners, mutually taken by all partners. Next, secrecy. Maintenance of business secrecy is easy and strict in sole proprietorship. Business के जो राज हैं, secret हैं, वो बनाए रखे जा सकते हैं, क्योंकि एक ही ओनर बिजनेस के सीक्रेट जानता है, उसे किसी को डिस्क्लोज नहीं करना है. But in partnership, compared to sole proprietorship, it is little difficult to maintain business secrecy because all partners know business secrets. If someone leaks or someone shares with someone, then it becomes out. Next, number 9, registration. There is no legal provision in India to register sole proprietorship. But in partnership, there is a provision that partnership can be registered, though it is voluntary. But it can be registered. Next, registered with a registrar of partnership firms. Next, transfer of ownership. Transfer of ownership or transfer of share in sole proprietorship, as there is only one owner. He can transfer the ownership share to anyone as and when he wants or she wants. जब चाहे, जिसको चाहे, अपनी सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप वो ट्रांसफर कर सकता है, बेच सकता है. In partnership, as two or more partners or owners are there, it is not possible to sell individual share of one partner to anybody without the consent of remaining partners. And last, risk and uncertainties are faced by only one person who is the owner in sole proprietorship, whereas risk and uncertainties are borne, are shared mutually and jointly as per agreement by all partners in partnership firm. So that is the basic, these are the basic points of difference. Still, of course, we can add few more points of difference if you want, but these 11 points are sufficient.